Wow, happy Friday, everybody. Mid January already of 2020. Renovation video number 23. Just some final steps in the process. Getting the fireplace redid, bathroom in the basement down in the boys' man cave down there, which I guess the girls are going to be taking over since he is in Iowa at college. So just wanted to give everybody an update. Still just kind of working through some things. Got a couple minor things to touch up and this and that, and then the full home renovation will be completed, and we'll do a video, a walkthrough of showing everything from start to finish. So it's been an exciting couple of months here. It's been a little nutty at times living through this. Just kind of getting through some days without, kitchen, down to one shower, just everything. But it's been fun. It's been great. A lot of compliments on the house. Really couldn't be any happier with Integrity Restoration guys. The respect they have for us and our house. The integrity. No pun intended. To their work and everything that they've done so far. Like I said, a few things need to be completed. Just some carpet and stuff that was going to be kind of last with everybody kind of trekking in and out the house. Some touch up paint and stuff like that here and there, and we'll be done. So happy Friday. Hope everything's going good so far in 2020. I'll keep you posted. Look for the videos, songs, everything going on week to week. Shay Hensley, 513-594-9218.